Hi, I am Chris Bridges with Credit with Chris, and I'm coming back to you on another tip on the Chat with Chris YouTube broadcast channel. Let's talk about the big three. Most people think about the credit bureaus when I say the big three, but today I want to talk about the three C's of credit. And it's really simple. I want you to think, as I'm sharing with you this tip, about when was the last time you borrowed money from your friend, or when one of your friends borrowed money from you. I bet you thought about the same three things. First, it's collateral. When lenders are evaluating whether or not we're a risk, and believe me, we're all a risk, it's just a matter of how much of a risk. Well, they're looking at our collateral. What do we have potentially to go or that they can come back and get if we default on the loan? The other C is capacity. What is our capacity to pay them back? So may not be necessarily what's in the bank, but what kind of income are we working with? Where or how are we going to be able to make good on those payments? And then the third C, which is vitally important, not just in the lending credit world, but in our everyday world, that's character. What is and how is our integrity in our character? So even if we had the capacity and we had the collateral, do we have the character to make sure we're going to pay the loan back? Well, those are the three C's that are used usually in evaluation of credit by lenders. And again, I would venture to guess they're the same three things you think about when people want to borrow money from you. So there's nothing different between you and the banks. Remember, we are supposed to be the lenders and not the borrowers. Make sure that your three C's are tight and that you are able to get your approvals. Until the next time, this has been Chris Bridges with Credit with Chris on the Chat with Chris channel. Please make sure that you subscribe and connect with us. Take care. Bye-bye.